Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute a notification, a command notifications from Google Sheets, Google Docs, or Google Slides. So here I'm going to show you on the Google Sheets because the steps are usually the same on all the Google workspace. So in here, what you need to do is just open the file that you want to mute its command notifications and then hit on the command icon at the top, and then you can click on this bell icon, the notification settings. Click on that, and as you guys can see here, there is three settings of notifications that you can select it. The first one is all commands, so you'll be notified about all new command activity. The second one is the commands for you. You'll be notified only about dimensions and threads involving you. And the third one is none. So we'll add a badge in this document but won't send you notifications. So if you want to mute it, you can just easily click on the none settings in here, tap on OK. So after that, when there are any comments on the file, you'll not be notified, or they won't send you notifications, but you can still see the comments. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.